Hello, good evening everyone. Here in the lecture series, I'm going to talk about what is Cassandra in the big data analytics, how the Cassandra used for handling the huge volume of data in the big data analytics. And let we start with what is the futures of Cassandra. Cassandra is a famous, popular tool and latest tool we are using for. Important tool used for big data analytics for handling the huge volume of data, for analyzing the data. Um, here the Cassandra have the main feature is peer-to-peer network, and is a failure detection is a major role. Suppose the system can be failure, it will detect very easily with the help of this Cassandra. And also practitioner replication factor is a very major features about the Cassandra. Then anti-entropy and read repair. Suppose the anti-entropy and read repair can be uh, easily identified with the help of these read repair features. Then meanwhile write feature is plays an important role in the Cassandra, and hinted handoffs plays a major roles. Then tunable consistency, a strong eventual is a major role. Tunable consistency, strong eventual read and write can be plays a major role here. So tunable consistency is a major things we can have. So we can consistently tunable the things very easily. So strong eventual and this can be plays a major role. So Cassandra is a important tool for handling these kind of things. So it is a read and write options can be very easily done with the help of Cassandra. Then next data replication in Cassandra, we can have the replication node 1 to node 5. Different kind of data can be present in the Cassandra. So from the every node from node 1 to node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5, etc. n number of nodes, how the data replication can be done in the Cassandra. So from node 1 to node 1, the replication will be processed and sent to the node 2. In the screen, we can able to see how the data replication plays a important role in the Cassandra, and it can be used. And then we can see able to see the what are the different components of Cassandra. First one is a major role is a major component we call as node. Node is a place where data is stored. The data can be stored at that particular place we call as node. And then data center is a collection of related nodes. Some related nodes can be collected in a single place. It is a collection of related nodes that we call as data centers here. Then next we got major important components in the Cassandra is cluster. Cluster is a component that contains one or more data centers. So that is a cluster here. Then commit log is a crash recovery mechanism in Cassandra. Every write operation return to the commit log, so plays a major role here. The memory table is a memory essential data structure. After committing log, the data will be returned to the memory table. For single column family, there will be a multiple memory table. So memory table plays a important role in the Cassandra. Then SS table, the Bloom filter. It is a disk file to which data flushed from the memory table. For example, we deleted some memories data from the memory table when it is content is reach a threshold value. So that kind of things, the SS table is a kind of components used for handling these kind of process. The next is a Bloom filter is nothing but a quick non-deterministic and algorithm for testing whether an element is member of a set. So it's a kind of testing process. We can test whether it's a bug or error present in the process, and it will clear the it will filter the with the after few test cases, it will filter the things and will go for the next process. So that is every inquiry Bloom filters accessed after every process things. These are some components present in the Cassandra. Cassandra have query language write operation, read operations, and how the commit logs and memory table and how the read operations can be present in the things can be given in the Cassandra query languages. Then these are some data types. We all know about the basic data types used in the C program. So similarly, like that, SQL have Cassandra query languages have certain data types: ASCII, BigNet, BLOOP, and Boolean, counter, date, decimal, double float. So these are the some SQL that means a Cassandra query language data types, and given the some constant support and what are the description. For example, double have 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point used for the magic things. Float 32 things we can have. Then frozen int list map and set in the text and timestamp and other extra things can be presented here. So this is about the some of the SQL data types present in the Cassandra. We have discussed the Cassandra query language, what are the features in the Cassandra, and what are the data replication, how data replication done in the Cassandra, and what are the major components present in the Cassandra. These are the things we have learned in this topic. And also different types of data types, different data types present in the Cassandra query languages. These are the listed some few data types used for Cassandra query language for the further process. With the basic data types, we can be used for SQL in the end-to-end every process. So this is about the Cassandra and what are the some features of Cassandra used in the big data analytics for better performance of analytical process. The Cassandra plays an important role in the big data analytics. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.